Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does archiving photos save space in Google Photos? So let's get started by open Google Photos application, and right here you can see that I have 5 GB and 240 MB. Now let me select Photos and we will move it to Archive and check how much we save the space. Okay, so we have 200 photos, amazing. Then move to Archive. And now let's check, is it changed the space? As you can see, I still have the same space. So, Archive to not save your space. It will just hide your photos from main photos feed and move it to the Archive folder. You can still find these photos using search or in albums, but not in main photos feed. That's it. So my short answer is no, it not save your space. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!